Good morning. It's May the 23rd in Hudson, Wisconsin, and today I'm showing you step 2 of the Dutch-German drone brood method adapting for our Wisconsin climate. Now, on the 11th of May, 12 days ago, I left a egged and larvaed drone frame here with the queen and the foragers. The part of it with the brood I took away into a separate box and left that with some temp queen to make it believe it's queen right until I produce some cells. That is its own entity. Right at the moment I'm just dealing with this, and what I'm going to do with this one, is in the subsequent 12 days the eggs and larvae from the drone brood that were in here should be capped, as at the time there were no competing larvae for the mites to enter. That should have trapped almost all of the drone mites that were there. My friend Mitch, who took the video last time, did a mite count, and I forget, it was either 0 or 1, but of course that's just what he got in the sample. I still believe that it's worth the effort, because surely there are some other mites that we take care of. So let me show you how I proceed. Oh, one more note. I'm not trying to make honey off this, but when I came back to the colonies a few days later, they were absolutely swamped with nectar. At the time it was in a single box. So I put on another box of frames to draw, and on my hive scale, since that time it's gained 40 pounds. If I'd have put supers on with drawn comb, I'm sure I would have got a bit more than that, but as I said, I'm not trying to make honey at the moment. So let's proceed. So a little smoke. Lift this off. Carefully down here. I'll put that lid back on to keep them relatively calm. And then we come into this colony. As you can see, that's capped. So any mites that were around should have been trapped in there. I'm just going to carefully check it. Actually, before I carefully check it, I'll put it in this little box. Of course, the biggest concern is that you end up shaking the queen off. So let's not do that. So I'm making a space for these to go. As you can see, that's a frame they're working on. Give this a shake. That's good. Don't see the queen on there, just a matter of putting that back together. Put that there. Check one more frame for curiosity. It's a frame they're drawing out. It's a frame of eggs, larvae, brood in all stages. That's good. So this colony is re-establishing itself. it had a surplus of foragers, which allowed them to dedicate their time to gathering nectar. Take this one away. Don't like the way that frame's been drawn out. Put that down there. Fresh one in here. I'm correcting this comb. Back together. It's relatively early in the morning, so my poor wife is getting stung, unfortunately. All right. Now, the colony still has another contribution to make regarding the drone brood method. I'm going to want it to re-egg, or in other words, or lay up another frame of drone brood. And the reason for that is the bees that are in the other box that are have no laying queen. I'm going to put a queen cell in there, and then I'm also going to put the frame of drone eggs and larvae in there 2 weeks after the queen cell's been in there. But if I get that egged up too soon, it'll be sealed before it's the right time to put it into that other box. If I put it into that other box too early, and I interfere, then I've got the queen cell in there, the queen will get killed. If I put the box and put it into this one too early, like I said, they'll be sealed before they're done. So it's a cascade of steps that requires some thought. All right, hope that wasn't too confusing. Thank you.